Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rifki Lutfi. I will present that product design and development. This product is adjustable table chair, lectured by Dr. Engineering Lucy Shanti STM Eng. I'm from group 6. Okay. The next slide is I have three members of the group. Uh, Number one, Rifki Lutfi, uh, and Nafis Rawfal Putra. The last, Aisyah. The next slide is chapter one, introduction. Next, background. Number A, general description of the selected product group or family. A toddler chair is a type of furniture specifically designed for children who are just beginning to learn to sit up until they reach toddler age. This product, this product typically feature an ergonomic design that support the child's posture and provides comfort while sitting. Toddler chairs are usually made from various materials such as wood, plastic, or a combination of both. The next one is next background. Number B, reason for choose the product variant weakness or limitation of the product identified by the development team in general in ideas or potential and opportunities for product development. The weakness or limitations of toddler chair product include unappealing design and the issue can make children less interested in sitting in the chairs. The next slide is the next background, number C, the importance of developing the selected product from the perspective of the product development team. Therefore, the importance of developing the toddler chairs to product from the perspective of the product development teams lies in several aspects. The next slide is bab 2, product planning. Uh, the product planning is number A, formulation of product development for opportunities for toddler chairs include number one, formulating the charter. This formulate identify market needs and defines the objective for developing a new toddler chair. The next slide is number two, gathering candidate opportunity. The first opportunity can be identified from the creative and education design, where developing toddler chair with attractive and education design uh, can enhance their appeal and educational functional for children. Number three, choosing promising opportunity. Selecting promising opportunity involves evaluate each candidate opportunity based on factor such as market needs, market, production cost, environment impact, and profit potential, conducting as SWOT, analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. The next slide is number four, selecting candidate opportunity. Based on the evaluating and feedback from the stakeholders, the selecting opportunity is the second one, which focus on the engine safety feature into the chair. The next slide is B. Formulation of product development opportunities for toddler chairs include number one is vision statement. In the slide, to become a leader in the children's furniture industry by providing safe, comfortable, and innovative product that support optimal development and being of children. Number two, mission statement, developing and manufacturing toddler chair that priorities safety and comfort with attractive design and advanced feature. We are committed to using environmentally friendly materials and educating the community about the importance of sustainable. Our goal is to provide a high quality product that meet children's need and our pitch of mind for parents. Number three, the next slide, bab three. Uh, Bab three, the next customer need identification. Uh, uh, we will will I see the slide for the picture. Data that going to collect by doing questionnaire of to the whole class which contain 20 of people about the total chair. The next slide is customer statement. Number one, and two, three, four, five, six, seven. Customer statement. in the slide. The next is customer need. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Customer need for the slide. The next slide is final specification. In the slide, we will in the slide dynamic term. This model predicts how the chair reacts under different weight and ensures stability when children move. Meanwhile, the static approach focus on the chair structure, including using spring to improve comfort and support. The next slide is Bob Power. In the Bob 4, the next explain to functional diagram design. Number 1, material. The next capability is to of us comfortable and design. Based on the identified voice of the customer, a functional diagram is utilized to determine the best course of action. Next slide. Problem identification. The in the problem identification, number 1, safety and stability. In durability is of us, production cost, and the last one, versatility in design. The next slide is alternative solution. I see alternative 1, alternative 2, then an alternative 3 for the problem. The next slide, selection of the best subsystem concept. Number 1, concept filtering, design process, evaluate, criteria, scoring, design, and in the slide is selection criteria from the picture we see. The next slide is concept evaluation, defining the purpose of concept evaluation, goals, outcome. The next, determining population and sample size, target market, factoring influence as sample size. The next, determining survey format, method, online or offline, question. The last next, communication, the product concept, method, and then video sketching. The next slide is 5, measuring customer response, analyzing test result, and the last one, making decision. Concept selection, choose design alternative 2, design overview, height adjustable to the chair, show in figure 4.2. Feature easy open and install optable for cleaning various seat belts for safety. Key benefit, adjustable height, safety, practically, comfort, stability, and conclusion, the design over convenience, safety, and comfort for both parents of toddlers. The next slide is product architecture, product design, like in the slide I see we see product component adjustable leg, safety belt, table, comfortable seat. The next slide is geometry layout. The purpose of the geometry layout is to show how the different product part work. The next slide, industrial design. Nah, the industrial design process for toddler chair is identifying customer need, conceptual decision, initial concept refinement, final concept refinement and selection, and the last one, model control and coordination. Thank you very much for your explain for the product development toddler chair. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.